5 Best Rug Cleaning Machine Reviews. Number 1. Power Scrub Deluxe Upright Carpet and Rug Shampooer by Hoover. Shampooers for both rugs and carpets are always in high demand. The problem with a lot of these kinds of machines is that while they do a very good job in cleaning carpets, they can be a little too intense for rugs. The Power Scrub Deluxe, by Hoover, is very much the exact same as any other upright carpet shampooer. It is a big machine with big power that will decisively clean any carpet. But it also has upholstery and crevice tools that use the same kinds of cleaning solutions that the upright unit has. This is perfect for cleaning small rugs. A lot of rug and carpet shampooers share one tank for water and solution. This can be inconvenient, since if only one tank is used, it will need to be cleaned and refilled constantly. Fortunately, the Power Scrub Deluxe has 2 separate tanks, which means that you will know exactly what tank is clean and ready and which one is not. Number 2. Portable Spot Cleaner with 5.5-foot hose by Rug Doctor. Upright carpet and rug shampooers have long been the industry standard, but they can be difficult to carry around and especially difficult to roll around the rooms that you need to clean. While it may have an unconventional design compared to many upright cleaners, the canister design of Rug Doctor's Spot Cleaner makes it much easier to carry around. Coming with a retractable handle, you can roll it around anywhere you want much easier than pushing around an upright cleaner. Cleaning rugs with Rug Doctor's Spot Cleaner is much easier to do than it is with their upright counterparts. Using the motorized brush connected to its hose is very easy and it is extremely gentle on rugs, which is very useful as rugs contain different materials than carpets do. Number 3. Deep Carpet Cleaner by Rug Doctor. Some carpets and rugs require a very strong cleaner that is much more powerful than most common carpet and rug shampooers are. For extremely dirty carpets and rugs, you cannot go wrong with Rug Doctor's Deep Carpet Cleaner. Containing dual cross-action brushes and a super boost function that makes it even more powerful, no carpet stain is safe from Rug Doctor's Carpet and Rug Cleaner. Something that contributes to Rug Doctor's Carpet and Rug Cleaner's efficiency is that it is 75% stronger in its suction than its counterparts. This makes it dry the floors it cleans much easier than other rug and carpet cleaners of its kind. Number 4. Power Lifter Upright Carpet Cleaner and Shampooer by Bissell. A recurring problem that many carpet and rug cleaners face are water and solution tanks. Cleaners that contain just one tank for water and solution need to be emptied, cleaned and refilled constantly. Cleaners that contain tanks for clean water and solution and tanks for dirty water and solution are one step better, but still require a good amount of emptying, refilling, and cleaning. The Power Lifter by Bissell solves all of these problems. Containing a 2-in-1 water and solution tank, it is much easier to empty, refill, and clean the tank than other kinds of carpet and rug shampooer tanks. You will also never struggle with measuring the water and solution with the Power Lifter either. It comes with a built-in measuring cup, this way you know exactly how much water or solution you want to use before beginning your cleaning session. Number 5. Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner Machine by Bissell. Rugs and carpets in large rooms will get a lot out of the Big Green, by Bissell. With a power cord that is 25 feet in length and a 9-foot hose, you will not need to worry about needing to take the big green to different outlets of any given room that you are working in. You'll be able to cover a lot of area with the big green. Another thing you won't need to worry about with the big green is needing to refill, empty or clean the water and solution tanks too often. The big green comes with 2 different tanks, which is normal. What is not normal is the size of these tanks. The big green's tanks are much bigger than the tanks of other carpet and rug cleaners. The tough stain tool that connects to the big green's hose is what lets you clean rugs, and it does a very good job of doing just that. It uses the same kinds of water and solution that the main big green unit uses to clean carpets as well.